Can you look your constituents? I know you got an 11-day break coming up, and I assume you're going to go home and hear a lot from your constituents. The folks
I generally do.
The folks in Denton, Texas, and Crum, Texas, and Ponder, Texas. Can you look them in the eye through our camera and say that as a result of this bill, they will get better health care, they won't pay more for it, and pre-existing conditions will be covered, guaranteed?
Yeah, let me speak to pre-existing conditions specifically in a moment, but the answer to the question is yes. Now, on the issue of pre-existing conditions, as you know, this bill was actually marked up in our committee, 28-hour markup, now almost a month ago. It was put on pause by the Speaker when they worried that they didn't have the number of votes. And one of the changes that occurred as people tried to improve the position on the bill was to allow states the option to seek a waiver from some of the essential health benefits and some of the community rating aspects. Those states that seek a waiver will be required to have an invisible risk-sharing arrangement, and there, as of today's amendment that the President agreed to, there will be additional dollars available, $8 billion in the first 5 years, available to people for premium support. And Brian, we are talking about a fairly narrow segment of the population, people who are in states that seek a waiver, people who are in the individual market, whose insurance coverage has lapsed beyond 63 days, who are now not in a continuous coverage position. Those are the individuals who are thought to be at risk in this situation, and the premium support dollars were put there specifically to help those individuals.
In 30 seconds or less, is that the same thing as a guarantee that folks with pre-existing conditions won't have to pay more?
That is the same thing as a guarantee that people with pre-existing conditions will not have to pay more.
Hey there, I'm Chris Hayes from MSNBC. Thanks for watching MSNBC on YouTube. If you want to keep up to date with the videos we're putting out, you can click subscribe just below me, or click over on this list to see lots of other great videos.